It is official bafethu. Dylan Shepherd will be joining the technical team of Fernando de Cruz as a second assistant coach bafethu. As reported before, ukuthi he's the candidate to join the technical team of coach Fernando de Cruz. And also we'll talk about Ulangelihle Phili, who's been linked to Kaizer Chiefs, and also a new linked Kaizer Chiefs player, Keleto Makhwala, and also Ibrahim Jabbar. So, bafethu, without wasting any time, let's jump straight into it together.
Talk about a man on fire. Protect it. You're there, ball.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Consistent Podcast. This is where ozithola khona zishisa pe. I am your host Manqoba Ngcobo, all the way from Great Town. Bafethu namhlanje nginiphathela zona zishisa pe. As ngimentionile ekuqaleni kwevideo intro. So bafethu, make sure ukuthi subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below ukuthi ucabangani nge-content enginiphathele yona bafethu. So namhlanje bafethu ngizoshaya ividiyo nje encane e-fasting ngey'ndaba ey'sanda kungena manje. Dylan Shepherd is a new assistant coach, second assistant coach kwi-Kaizer Chiefs, who will be working with Fernando de Cruz and also his assistant, Umen Abbas. So yena he's a second assistant njengo Cedric Kaze and ngimkhohliwe lo coach lo munye ade khona. There was a first assistant and then the second assistant. Namanje Fernando de Cruz has two assistants. The guy is coming with from Egypt, and then Dylan Shepherd is a second assistant coach. And mind you, there's Dylan Shepherd have just finished his license on CAF. So that's a good thing for him, and also I think it would be a good thing for Kaizer Chiefs Ukuba with someone from South Africa, someone who knows culture of Kaizer Chiefs. Uh, these few season backs, we had no South African technical alongside the coaches that were appointed. So this kind of will bring some changes to the staff technically, and it will also bring changes to the players mentally, and yeah. And also, Buffett, so I want to touch on Kaizer Chiefs players that might leave the club, including Kanye Samayo. I wanted to focus on Kanye Samayo, kakhulu kule video, but there are more players that will might leave Kaizer Chiefs. The likes of Ashley Dupreez, the likes of Augustin Sereno, George Matlo, Riff Rosler. Baningi nje bafethu, baningi. Kodwa lana ngifuna sifocuse ku Kanye Samayo, because we all know ukuthi Kanye Samayo came in as a loanee from a club yakhe, and then babe nengxabano with with his previous manager lapha ku-CRB Luzdad. So niyasazi iskandal ngeke sichaze kakhulu, and then there's I'm not sure if it's a CEO or a management, but he's no longer with the club, so they have appointed a new CEO or a manager for CRB Luzdad. So Mayo is in between of staying at Kaizer Chiefs if Kaizer Chiefs activates their buy-on clause, which was in his loan contract. It's up to Kaizer Chiefs if they want to activate that clause, or as you know, what CCR Belouzi that is in FIFA ban of not signing or registering any players from to their club. So we will see if the new CEO or manager will want to keep all his players because he won't be able to sign any new players, or he will be able to just let Mayo move on permanently. We'll see about that, and then so lokho sikhuluma ngawo sinika ama-updates. So wena make sure ukuthi uhleli kuleli khasi lethu and following story the stories of i-Kaizer Chiefs. So bafethu, I want to touch on Ulangelihle Phili. He's be, he's been linked with Kaizer Chiefs for so long, since the window started, since the season ended. Ulangelihle Phili has been on Kaizer Chiefs list as one of the wingers to strengthen the squad. So another player that has been linked with Kaizer Chiefs, he's also a left winger, is Keleto Mahwala from Sekhukhune United. It's like their star player because he's been making a good impression there. Sekhukhune, he's wearing number 7. If ungamazi, you can go and Google him. He's 27 years old or 28. Yeah, ulapho uKeleto Mahwala. So bafethu, wena, who would you prefer between Ulangelihle Phili noma uKeleto Mahwala, because they play the same position. They kinda like the same players because they like to dribble and then cut inside and then shoot if there's an opportunity, but they are kinda like same players. So it will not make sense for for Kaizer Chiefs to sign both of them because they are playing on the same side. It's either Langelihle Phili or Keleto Mahwala. Ngitsheleni bafethu ukuthi nina imuphi umdlali you think Kaizer Chiefs should go in for. Another player that is linked with Kaizer Chiefs is a midfielder from Stellenbosch, who just left Stellenbosch as a free agent because he didn't want to sign the new contract with the Stellenbosch. Yeah, his name is Ibrahim Jabba. Ibrahim Jabba is not a South African. Sengikhohle ukuthi uphuma kuphi, but he's not a South African. He good enough to risk sports sama player from outside of South Africa for Ibrahim Ijapa, or Kaizer Chiefs should just go for a bigger player outside of the country, a midfielder like Isaac Cisse, or they should just go for Ibrahim Japa as a free agent. Angazi bafethu, you tell me. And nani yazi ke new coaches will come, and then there will be players that coaches will not be impressed by, the likes of Osbong Mthethwa. Maybe Kaizer Chiefs will want to add one more midfielder just in case coaches have no interest on other players during a preseason bafethu. So bafethu, I want you to stay tuned on this YouTube channel because Kaizer Chiefs will announce players who are leaving very soon. Very soon, players who are leaving will be announced, and then they'll also announce the dates of i-preseason ukuthi bahamba nini, comeback nini, wonke ama-plans akhona. So kuleli page and le channel will be looking all of those things in ethinta i-Kaizer Chiefs, izivula isizini. Stay tuned with us bafethu, ngizoniphathela ezinye iy'ndaba futhi ey'shisa bhe. So bafethu, thank you for watching the video. Do comment down below ukuthi ucabangani ngale content enginiphathele khona. Ucabangani ngoLangelihle Phili noKeleto Mahwala? Who should Kaizer Chiefs sign? And if Kaizer Chiefs should sign Umayo permanently, and also if Kaizer Chiefs should go for a bigger and a very expensive midfielder, or they should just sign Ibrahim Japa, who is a free agent from Stellenbosch. What do you think, guys? Please subscribe to the video. Thank you for watching. See you on another one.